Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 10, Time, from the book Maths 4. Reading time is important in our day-to-day life. We know that the interval between one sunrise/sunset to the next is called a day. We have already learned how to read time from a clock. तो रीडिंग टाइम हमारी डे टू डे लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, राइट? हमें ये भी पता है एक सनराइज से दूसरे सनसेट तक एक डे कंसिडर होता है, ओके। एंड हमने ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस क्लासेस में ये भी पढ़ा है कि कैसे रीड करते हैं टाइम को, राइट? देन टेलिंग द टाइम, most clocks and watches have an hour hand and a minute hand. Some watches and clocks have a second hand as well. ज़्यादातर जो क्लॉक्स होती हैं, वॉचेस होती हैं, उनमें मिनट हैंड एंड आवर हैंड होता है, एंड कुछ ऐसी भी वॉचेस एंड क्लॉक्स होती है जिनके अंदर सेकेंड हैंड भी होता है, ओके। 60 सेकेंड इक्वल्स टू 1 मिनट, 60 मिनट इक्वल्स टू 1 आवर, 24 आवर्स इक्वल्स टू 1 डे, ओके। इन आवर्स, when the minute hand is on 12, the time is in full hours. जब जो मिनट हैंड होती है 12 पर होती है, यानी कि जो टाइम है वो फुल आवर्स हो चुका है. The hour hand is at 4 in this clock. The minute hand is at 12, right? And so the time is 4 o'clock. इसलिए टाइम जो हो रहा है that is 4 o'clock. In half hours, when the minute hand is on 6, here in this clock, minute hand is at 6, right? The time is in half hours. The hour hand is between 4 and 5. In this clock, the minute hand is at 6. So the time is 4:30 or half past 4. And जो hour hand है that is in between 4 and 5. It means the time is 4:30 and we can write it as half past 4 as well. Okay. Then similarly, use of AM and PM. The hour hand is at 8. Here you can see hour hand जो है 8 पर है, okay. The minute hand is at 12 और जो minute hand थी वो 12 पर है. It is 8 o'clock, तो 8 o'clock हो रहे हैं. It may be 8 o'clock in the morning. It may be 8 o'clock in the night. 8 o'clock morning में भी होते हैं, night में भी होते हैं, right? So the hour hand crosses 8 twice a day. तो जो hour hand है वो twice a day 8 को cross करती है, right? To differentiate the time whether it is morning or evening time, we use AM anti-meridian and PM post-meridian. तो टाइम को डिफ्रेंशिएट करने के लिए मॉर्निंग है या इवनिंग, हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग AM और PM का यूज करते हैं. AM मीन्स एंटी मेरिडियन and PM means post meridian. The time in the night is 8 PM. The time in the morning is 8 AM. A day begins at 12 midnight and ends at 12 midnight of the following day. We can say the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon is noted as 8 AM and time from 12 noon to 12 midnight as PM. तो जो टाइम नाइट में होता है उसको हम 8 PM बोलते हैं. इसी तरीके से जो टाइम मॉर्निंग में होता है उसे 8 AM कहते हैं. एक जो डे होता है वो 12 मिडनाइट से बिगिन करता है और अगले दिन एंड होता है 12 मिडनाइट को ही, राइट? एंड हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि जो टाइम है वो 12 मिडनाइट में 12 नून तक हम AM की तरह कंसिडर करते हैं. एंड सिमिलरली जो टाइम 12 नून से 12 मिडनाइट तक है उसे PM की तरह कंसिडर करते हैं. Okay, exercise 10A, question 1, fill in the blanks. A part, there are dash minutes in an hour. Answer is 60 minutes. B, there are dash hours in a day. Answer is 24 hours. C, there are dash days in a week. Answer is 7 days. D, there are dash days in a year. Answer is 365. Then E, there are dash months in a year. Answer is 12 months. Then question 2, read and write the time of each of the following clocks. So we have to read the time and write it. Okay. A part, so minute hand is at 6 and hour hand is in between 4 and 5. It means the time is 4:30 or we can say that half past 4. Okay. Then B part, the time is, here you can see hour hand is at 5 and minute hand is at 4, right? So the time is 5:20, or we can write 20 minutes past 5. Okay? Similarly, you can do the remaining parts. Okay? Then third, change into minutes. A, 7 days. So 7 days means one day has 24 hours. So we have to multiply 7 into 24. Then we have to change it into minutes. 1 hour has 60 minutes. So multiply by 60 as well. Okay. So after multiplying 3 of these number, you will get the answer is minutes. Okay. You can multiply by yourself. Then similarly B part, 8 days, 3 hours. 8 days means one day has 24 hours. So 8 multiply 24, right? And also multiply by 60 because we want the answer in minutes. So this part is multiplied in minutes as well. 24 multiply 60 plus 3 hours. 3 hours is multiplied by 60 only. Why? Because this is already in hours. We don't need to multiply it by 24. Okay. So after adding both the answers after multiplication, you will get the answer. Similarly, you can do the C part. Then question 4, change into hours. Now we have to change into hours. A part, 7 days. Now again we already know that one day has 24 hours. So 7 multiply 24. After multiplication, you will get the answer. You can do multiplication by yourself. Then B part, 8 days, 3 hours. So here is days, 8 multiply 24 plus 3. You don't need to multiply 3 with any other number because it is already in hours, right? So you can add after multiplication with 3 and you will get the answer. Similarly, you can do the remaining part. Then question 5, write the time in AM or PM. A part, 6:20 in the evening. Evening means post meridian, PM. So 6:20 PM. Then B part, 8:20 in the morning. Morning means AM. Okay. So 8:20 AM. Then C part, 12:30 in the day. Means afternoon. Okay, so 12:30 PM. 12 noon after, right? So PM. Similarly, you can do the remaining parts. Okay. Then question number 6, answer the following questions. A part, when do you go to school? So you need to write the time here. Okay. So for example, I'll write it here 8 AM. Remember to write AM and PM as well. Okay. Then B part, when do you return from school? I can write here 2 PM. Okay. Then similarly, you can do the remaining parts. Okay. Question 7. What will be the time after 3 hours? 3 hours बाद क्या time होगा? We have to write here. Okay. A part, 2:20 AM. So we have to talk about hours. So 2 के बाद 3, then 4 and 5. Minutes, no change. The answer is 5:20 AM. Okay. Then we have B part, 9 PM. This is already in hours. We have to count up till 3. Then 10, 11, 12. So 12, it is about 12 midnight. So AM, 12 AM. Okay. Then similarly, you can do the remaining parts. Okay. 24-hour clock time. We normally use 12-hour clock. The hour hand of the clock goes round the clock dial twice a day, 24 hours. Some departments like railways, airlines, and armed forces use 24-hour clock time. Digital watches also show 24-hour clock time. In a railway timetable, 1 p.m. is written as 13 hours, 2 p.m. is written as 14 hours, 3 p.m. is written as 16 hours. Similarly, 10 p.m. is written as 22 hours, 10 p.m. is written as 23 hours, and 12 midnight is written as 24 hours or 00 hours. Okay, so जो 12 आवर क्लॉक है हम नॉर्मली यूज करते हैं, बट जो आवर हैंड है वो ट्वाइस टाइम्स घूमता है, राइट? तो हम ज्यादातर जो है 12 आवर क्लॉक यूज करते हैं, और जो आवर हैंड क्लॉक है वो राउंड द क्लॉक डायल करता है ट्वाइस अ डे, राइट? सो वो 24 आवर्स कंसीडर होते हैं. कुछ डिपार्टमेंट है जैसे रेलवेज, एयरलाइंस, आर्म फोर्सेस, ये 24 आवर्स क्लॉक ही यूज करते हैं. ओके, एंड जो डिजिटल वॉचेस होती है वो भी 24 आवर क्लॉक के अकॉर्डिंग ही टाइम शो करती है. तो 1 PM को हम 13 आवर्स कहते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू 24 आवर क्लॉक. एंड सिमिलरली यहाँ पर और भी गिवन है, एंड मैंने अभी ये रीड की थी. नाउ स्टडी द टेबल गिवन बिलो. वी हैव 2 columns, 12 hour clock time, then 24 hour clock time. 12 midnight means 24 hours or 00 hours. 1 AM means 1 hours. 3:50 AM means 3:50 hours. Then 9:50 AM means 9:50 hours. 11:30 AM means 11:30 hours. 12 noon, 12 hours. 1 PM, 13 hours. 4:40 PM, 16:40 hours. 8:40 PM, 20:40 hours. 11:20 PM, 23:20 hours. Okay? From the table of 24-hour notation, we observe the following rules. A. 12 midnight is denoted by 24 hours or 00 hours. B. 12 noon is denoted by 12 hours. C. The numeral formed by the 2 digits from right denotes the number of minutes. D. If the numeral formed by the first 2 digits from the left is less than 12, it denotes the number of hours before noon. So we use AM with it. तो जो अभी हमने 24 आवर टेबल देखी उनमें से हमें कुछ रूल्स पता चले. फर्स्ट रूल ये है, जो 12 मिडनाइट है वो 24 आवर्स या 00 आवर्स से हम डिनोट करते हैं. देन 12 नून है उसको हम 12 आवर्स से डिनोट करते हैं. देन जो न्यूमरल फॉर्म्ड होते हैं 2 डिजिट्स के जो राइट में होते हैं वो मिनट्स को शो करते हैं. ओके, एंड जो लास्ट पॉइंट है, जो न्यूमरल फॉर्म्ड होते हैं फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट्स में, अगर उसमें जो लेफ्ट में जो नंबर्स हैं वो लेस देन 12 है तो वो डिनोट करते हैं नंबर ऑफ आवर्स को जो बिफोर नून होते हैं. एंड अगर 12 से ज्यादा है तो वो आफ्टरनून डिनोट करते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 8:30 आवर्स डिनोट्स 8:30 AM. ओके, then 11:50 hours denote 11:50 AM because these are below 12, right? Less than 12. So it represents the time before 12 noon. Okay. E part, if the numeral formed by the first 2 digits from the left is greater than 12, the difference between the number and 12 gives the number of hours after noon. So we use PM with it. तो जो न्यूमरल फॉर्म्ड होते हैं फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट के बाद लेफ्ट से, सो वो 12 से अगर ग्रेटर होते हैं तो जो उनके बीच का डिफरेंस होता है वो हमें बताता है कि कितने आवर्स हो रहे हैं, और ये जो टाइम होता है दैट इज आफ्टर 12 नून. तो इसलिए हम PM यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 18:30 आवर्स डिनोट 6:30 PM. ओके, एंड सिमिलरली 21:40 आवर्स denotes 9:40 PM. Okay, time in seconds. We have learnt about hour hand and minute hand. Now see the thinnest hand that moves faster than the other 2. It is called second hand. It covers 60 small divisions in 1 minute. The time taken by second hand to move from one small division to the next small division is called a second. 1 minute equals to 60 second. तो अभी तक हमने आवर हैंड और मिनट हैंड के बारे में पढ़ा. अब हम सबसे थिनेस्ट हैंड, जो कि सबसे ज्यादा फास्टर मूव करता है इन दोनों से, जिसको हम सेकेंड हैंड कहते हैं, ये है. ये 60 स्मॉल डिविजन्स को 1 मिनट में कवर करता है. ओके एंड जो टाइम टेकन होता है सेकेंड हैंड के थ्रू एक स्मॉल डिविजन से दूसरे स्मॉल डिविजन में, उसको हम सेकेंड कहते हैं. एंड 1 मिनट इक्वल्स टू 60 seconds. Example, convert 140 seconds into minutes. Solution, we know 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. To convert seconds into minutes, we divide the given seconds by 60. Divide करेंगे. Hence, 140 seconds equals to 2 minutes 20 seconds. So, यहाँ हमने division किया, तो हमें यहाँ 120 मिला. एंड जो क्वेश्चन आएगा वो पार्ट मिनट्स में लिखेंगे एंड जो रिमाइंडर बच गया वो हम सेकेंड्स में लिखेंगे. ओके, एक्सरसाइज 10B. क्वेश्चन 1, fill in the blanks. A, 12 midnight is denoted by 24 hours or dash hours. 00 hours. Okay. Then B part, 12 noon is denoted by dash hours. Answer is 12 hours. Then C, 1 PM is dash hours. Answer is 13 hours. Then D, 23:20 hours is dash PM. Answer is 11:20 PM. Question 2, change into 12-hour clock time. 1 is done for you. तो हमें 12-hour clock time में time को change करना है. Okay. A part, 9:30 hours means 9:30 AM. Okay. Then B part, 10:20 hours means 10:20 AM. Okay. Then similarly C part, 00:20 hours means 12:20 AM. Then D part, 05:15 hours means 5:15 AM. Similarly, you can do the remaining parts. Question 3, name the 3 hands of a clock. The 3 hands of a clock are hour hand, minute hand and second hand. Okay, you can write it. Fourth, how many seconds are there in 1 minute? Answer is 60 seconds. Okay. Then question 5, which is the smallest unit of time? Answer is second is the smallest unit of time. Addition and subtraction of time. We use different units of time, that is second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year, decade, century, etc. These units have following relations. तो हम काफी सारी डिफरेंट यूनिट्स का यूज करते हैं टाइम की. यहाँ पर कुछ लिखी है सेकेंड, मिनट, आवर, डे, वीक, मंथ एंड मेनी अदर. इनके बीच में कुछ रिलेशन होता है. सो A part 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. Then B part 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. C part 24 hours equals to 1 day. D part 7 days equals to 1 week. E part 30 or 31 days equals to 1 month. F part 365 or 366 days equals to 1 year. G 12 months equals to 1 year. Then H 52 weeks equals to 1 year. I 10 years equals to 1 decade. J 100 years equals to 1 century. K 10 decades equals to 1 century. Using the above relations, we can convert the smaller unit of time into bigger unit of time and vice versa. तो इन relations का use करके हम smaller unit को bigger unit में और bigger unit को smaller unit में convert कर सकते हैं. Okay? Now consider the following examples. Example, convert into hours. A part 2 days, B part 5 days, 5 hours. Hours में convert करना है. Solution, A part 1 day equals to 24 hours. We already know this. So 2 days equals to 24 multiplied 2 hours equals to 48 hours. So 2 days equals to 2 multiplied 24 hours equals to 48 hours. Then similarly B part, 5 days 5 hours equals to 5 multiplied 24 hours plus 5 hours. Hours already hours में थे तो हमें conversion की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Equals to 120 hours plus 5 hours equals to 125 hours. Okay. Then another example, convert 3 hours 45 minutes into minutes. Minutes में ही convert करना है. Okay. Solution, 3 hours 45 minutes equals to 3 multiply 60 minutes plus 45 minutes. Okay. यहाँ पर जो ऑलरेडी मिनट्स में उसको कन्वर्जन की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ आवर्स को करेंगे. हमें पता है 1 hour है 60 मिनट. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड इट विद 60 विच इज इक्वल टू, इन दोनों को किया 180 प्लस 45 मिनट्स इक्वल्स टू 225 मिनट्स. ओके. Then another example, convert A 290 hours into days and hours. Then B part, 3230 minutes into hours and minutes. Solution, A part, to convert hours into days, we have to divide the hours by 24, that is 290 divided by 24. Therefore 290 hours equals 12 days and 2 hours. So यहाँ पर हमने division करना है 24 के साथ, because we know that one day has 24 hours. That's why we are dividing it with 24. Then हमने division किया तो quotient हमें 12 मिला and ये हमारा remainder है. तो जो quotient होता है that is in days. So 12 days and जो remainder बचा that is in hours. So 2 hours. Then B part, to convert minutes into hours, we have to divide minutes by 60, that is 3230 divided by 60. Hence 3230 minutes equals to 53 hours 50 minutes. So यहाँ पर हमने division किया, as we already know 1 hour is 60 minutes. That's why we are dividing it with 60 and we'll get quotient 53 and remainder 50. Okay, so जो क्वेश्चन होगा वो आवर्स में आएगा, दैट इज 53 आवर्स एंड जो रिमाइंडर है दैट इज इन मिनट्स. सो 53 आवर्स 50 मिनट्स इज द आंसर. एग्जाम्पल, एन एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन टेक्स 4 hours 30 minutes to reach Agra from Delhi. If train starts from Delhi at 7:45 AM, then at what time will it reach Agra? तो एक एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन 4 hours 30 minutes लेती है आगरा रीच करने में दिल्ली से. तो अगर ट्रेन स्टार्ट हुई है 7:45 AM पे, तो हमें बताना है वो आगरा कब रीच करेगी. Solution, the train starts from Delhi at 7:45 AM and takes 4 hours 30 minutes to reach Agra. We add 4 hours 30 minutes to 7 hours 45 minutes. So, which is equal to 11 hours 75 minutes. Okay, which is equal to 11 hours plus 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. इसको हमने split कर दिया, which is equal to 11 hours plus 1 hour plus 15 minutes. 60 minutes mean 1 hour. Then हमने hours को add कर दिया, which is equal to 12 hours 15 minutes. Answer will be 12:15 PM. Okay. Therefore, train will reach Agra 12:15 PM. Okay. Here we have did the addition part. Normally we have to add the time. Like first we have to divide them accordingly column wise and then you need to add normally. Okay. Then example, a school starts at 7:15 AM and gets over after 6 hours 15 minutes. Then at what time does the school get over? तो वो स्कूल इतने पर स्टार्ट होता है एंड 6 hours 15 minutes के बाद ओवर हो जाता है. तो कब ओवर होता है? Solution, the school start at 7 hours 15 minutes and get over after 6 hours 15 minutes. Therefore, the school gets over at 1:30 PM. Again, we have to add. So, we have added them 15 and 15 30 and 7 and 6 13. So, the answer is 13 hours 30 minutes. It means 1:30 PM. Okay. Example, subtract the following. A part, 16 hours 25 minutes from 32 hours 50 minutes. B part, 21 hours 30 minutes from 46 hours 20 minutes. solution. A, first arrange the times in columns and then subtract them. सबसे पहले column wise arrange कर लेना है, फिर subtraction करना है. तो normally subtraction किया तो हमें 16 and 25 मिला. Subtracting minutes from minutes and hours from hours. हमने उस तरीके से किया है. Hence the difference is 16 hours and 25 minutes. Okay. Then similarly B part, यहाँ पर 50 आ गया minutes column में and hours column में 24. Hence the difference is 24 hours and 50 minutes. Okay. Working in minutes column, 30 minutes cannot be subtracted from 20 minutes. So we borrow 1 hour from 46 hours, leaving 45 hours behind. Now 1 hour plus 20 minutes equals to 60 minutes plus 20 minutes equals to 80 minutes. Then 80 minus 30 equals to 50 minutes. Also 45 minus 21 equals to 24 hours. तो यहाँ पर 46 था, राइट, 46 आवर्स थे. अब 1 आवर में 60 मिनट्स होते, तो यहाँ पर आके ये जो है 6 में 80 बन गया, राइट. 80 में से 30 50 गए, फिर यहाँ पर ये 45 रह गया था, 21 माइनस किया तो यहाँ 24 आ गया. यही चीज यहाँ पर शो की है. ओके. Example, an aeroplane leaves from Delhi at 5:20 a.m. It arrives at Bhubaneswar at 7:50 a.m. How long does it take to reach Bhubaneswar? So aeroplane leave करता है दिल्ली को 5:20 a.m. पे और भुवनेश्वर रीच कर जाता है 7:50 a.m. तो हमें बता रहा है कितना टाइम लिया. Solution, we need to find the interval between 5:20 a.m. and 7:50 a.m. हमें interval find out करने की जरूरत है. Therefore, the aeroplane takes 2 hours 30 minutes from its journey from Delhi to Bhubaneswar. तो यहाँ पर हमने subtraction कर दिया and you'll get 30 minutes here 2 hours. So 2 hours 30 minutes is the answer. Okay. Then exercise 10C, question 1, convert into hours. A part 9 days. So 1 day has 24 hours. It means 9 multiply 24. You will get the answer. Okay. You can do multiplication by yourself. Then similarly B part, 5 days 8 hours. So 5 multiply 24 plus 8. Hours is already in hours. We don't need to change. Days have to be changed in hours. That's why we are multiplying with 24. So first you need to multiply this and then you have to add 8 and you'll get the answer. Similarly, you can do the remaining parts. Okay. Then question 2, convert into minutes. Minute. A, 8 hours. So we already know that 1 hour has 60 minutes. So 8 multiplies 60, you will get the answer, which is 480 minutes. Okay. Similarly, you can do the remaining parts. Then question 3, convert into days and hours. अब days and hours में convert करना है. A part 88 hours. So we already know that 1 day has 24 hours, right? So we have to divide 88 by 24. So we can take 72 here because at 3, 24, 3s are 72 and then you can subtract, we'll get 1 here and 6 here. Okay. So the answer will be 3 days 16 hours. Okay. Similarly, you can do the remaining parts. Then question 4, add A part 9 hours 30 minutes and 6 hours 40 minutes. Okay, so 2 columns बना लेते हैं hours के लिए and minutes के लिए. हम ऐड कर सकते हैं यहाँ 0 का 0 and 3 and 4 7, then 9 and 6 15. But we can't write here 70 because we already know 1 hour has 60 minutes, right? So we can split it as 60 minutes plus 10 minutes, right? So 1 is given to here 60 minutes 1 hour, which is equal to, the answer is 16 hours 10 minutes. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, you can do the remaining parts by yourself. Question 5, find the difference between A part 56 hours 28 minutes and 80 hours 38 minutes. Difference means subtraction. So again we have to make two columns, hours and minutes. Normally subtraction करते हैं. 8 में से 8 गए 0, 3 में से 2 गए 1. Okay. 0 and 6. We can't subtract. We have to borrow. यहाँ से borrow करेंगे. And 10 में से 6 गए 4, 7 में से 5 गए 2. Okay. So the answer will be 24 hours 10 minutes. Okay. Similarly, you can do the remaining parts. Problem solving, word problems. Example, a car leaves Meerut for Mathura at 6:30 a.m. It takes 4 hours to reach Mathura. At what time will it reach Mathura? तो एक कार लीव करती है मेरठ से मथुरा के लिए 6:30 AM को और 4 आवर्स में रीच कर जाती है. हमें बताना है किस टाइम पर मथुरा रीच की. ओके, सोल्यूशन, कार लीव्स फ्रॉम मेरठ एट 6:30 AM, 6:30. टाइम टेकन टू रीच मथुरा 4 hours, 4. So 6:30, 6 hours 30 minutes and 4 equals to 4 hours and 0 minutes. If we add them, 10 hours 30 minutes come. 10 hours 30 minutes equal to 10:30, which is equal to 10:30 AM. Hence the car will reach Mathura at 10:30 AM. Okay. Then another example, Anil was admitted to a hospital on 15th March 2025 and discharged on 25th March 2025. How long did he remain in the hospital? अनिल एडमिट हुआ हॉस्पिटल में 15 मार्च को 2025 को और डिस्चार्ज हुआ 25 मार्च 2025 को. कितने दिन बाद उसे डिस्चार्ज मिला या कितने समय तक वो हॉस्पिटल में रहा? सोल्यूशन, अनिल वाज एडमिटेड ऑन 15th March 2025. The number of days from 15 March 2025 to 25th March 10 days. तो जो अनिल है 15 मार्च को एडमिट हुआ एंड जो नंबर ऑफ डेज थे बीच में, that is 10 days. You can subtract 25 minus 15. You'll get 10. Thus, Anil remained in the hospital for 10 days. 10 days के लिए रहा. Exercise 10D. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Sachin leaves home at 9:30 AM. He returns home at 6 PM on the same day. How long does he remain away from home? तो सचिन ने लीव किया होम 9:30 AM और वो वापस आया 6 PM. तो वो कितने देर के लिए घर से दूर रहा? So first we need to change them into hours. Okay, so this changed into 18 hours because this is in PM, so 18 hours and 0 minutes, right? And this changed into 9 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, then we need to subtract, right? 18 hours minus 9 hours 30 minutes. Okay, जीरो में से 0 0 एंड 0 में से 3 वी कांट सब्ट्रैक्ट, तो हमें बोरो करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ से बोरो नहीं कर सकते, यहाँ से कर सकते हैं, राइट? तो ये 0, ये 18 आ गया एंड ये 17 बन गया. बट अब ये आवर्स में है तो आवर्स में मिनट्स में जा रहा है. 1 hour है 60 minutes, राइट? सो 1 hour हमने दे दिया तो यहाँ 60 आ गया. ओके, सो 6 में से 3 गए 3, राइट? एंड 17 में से 9 गए 8 hours एंड 0 का 0. सो 8 hours 30 minutes means he is away from home for about 8 hours 30 minutes. Okay? Then question 2, a train leaves Meerut at 5:30 hours. It reaches Kolkata at 23:30 hours. How long does it take to reach Kolkata? तो ट्रेन मेरठ को लीव की थी 5:30 hours पर और कोलकाता रीच कर गई 23:30 पर. ओके, तो कितना टाइम लगा? सो हियर वी नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. आंसर वुड बी 0 एंड 3 में से 3 गए 0 एंड Here we can't subtract, we have to borrow. तो 1 यहाँ, 13 यहाँ. 13 में से 5 गए 8 and 1. So answer would be 18 hours. The train take 18 hours to reach Kolkata. Okay. Then question 3. A bus leaves Meerut for Jaipur at 10 a.m. It takes 2 hours 15 minutes to reach Jaipur. At what time it will reach Jaipur? तो बस ने लीव कर दिया मेरठ से जयपुर के लिए 10 AM और उसको 2 hours 15 minutes लगते हैं जयपुर पहुंचने में. वो कब पहुंचेगी जयपुर? Okay, so you can do this question by yourself. In this one, you need to subtract. This is the hint. Okay. Then question 4. Ravi traveled 6 hours 25 minutes by one bus and 3 hours 45 minutes by another bus. How much time did he travel in all? Total कितना time travel किया? It means we need to add. So you can add each of these time and you'll get the total time. Okay? You can do this question as well by yourself. Question 5. Ranjit leaves home for office at 9:30 am and returns home at 5:15 pm. How long does he remain away from home? So this question is same as the previous one that I has already explained. You can take the example and you can see the calculation there and you can do the solution here by yourself. Then question 6. Deepika started doing her homework at 7:05 pm and finished it at 10:10 pm. How long did it take her to do the homework? तो इतने पर उसने स्टार्ट किया और इतने पर खत्म कर दिया, तो कितना टाइम लगा? So you need to subtract and you'll get the answer. Okay, you can do subtraction by yourself. Then question 7. A circus show starts at 4:15 pm. It runs for 2 hours 45 minutes. At what time does it end? तो वो कब खत्म होगा? Okay, so इतने पर खत्म होता है. It means we need to add and you'll get the answer. Okay, so you can do this question by yourself. Objective skill, multiple choice questions, MCQs. Pick the correct option. A. How many weeks make 1 year? We have option first 50 weeks, second 60 weeks, third 52 weeks. Answer is 52 weeks. B. 2 hours 15 minutes equals to first 8100 seconds, second 7800 seconds and third 8000 seconds. So we need to convert. 1 hour has 3600 seconds. So 2 multiply 3600 plus 15 minutes. 1 minute has 60 seconds. So 15 multiply 60. Then you can add. Then first you need to multiply both the sides. So 7200 plus 900. The answer would be 8100 seconds. Okay. Then C part, the duration between 6:15 am and 2:30 pm is. So duration बतानी है कितनी है? First 7 hours 30 minutes, second 8 hours, then third 8 hours 15 minutes. The answer is 8 hours 15 minutes. You can subtract and then you'll get the answer. यहाँ पर सबसे पहले hours में convert कर लेंगे दोनों को 24 hours के according, then you can calculate the answer. Okay. Mental math. First, fill in the blanks. A. 60 seconds equals to dash minutes. Answer is 1 minute. Then B part, 24 hours equals to 1 day. C part, dash or dash days equals to 1 month. 30 or 31 days. Then D part, dash years equals to 1 century. Answer is 100 years. Then E part, 365 or 366 days equals to dash year. 1 year. F dash decades equals to 1 century. Answer is 10 decades. Second, match the following. A. 6 days into hours. So 6 multiplied by 24, the answer would be 144 hours. So A with 4th, and B 450 hours into day and hours. So we need to divide 450 by 24 and you'll get the answer, which is 18 days and 18 hours. So B with 5th one. And then C part, 486 minutes into hours and minutes. So you need to divide this with 60, and then you will get the answer 8 hours 6 minutes. So C with first one, and then D 781 second into minutes and seconds. So in this one you need to divide 781 with 60. Why? Because 1 minute has 60 seconds. So the answer would be 13 minutes 1 second. Okay, so D with second one, and the last one E part, 45 months into years and months. So 1 year has 12 months. You need to divide this with the 12. 45 divided by 12. You will get the answer 3 years 9 months. So E with third one. Okay. Creative skill. Activity zone. Solve the puzzle. Sonam's watch becomes 5 minutes faster every hour. Kapil's watch becomes 10 minutes slower every hour. If they come to work at 8 a.m. and match their watches with each other, what time will their watches show when it is time to go home at 3 p.m.? तो जो सोनम की वॉच है वो 5 मिनट्स फास्टर होती है हर घंटे, और कपिल की वॉच 10 मिनट स्लोअर होती है. तो अगर वो वर्क पर 8 AM जाते हैं, ओके, तो जब 3 PM होंगे तो उनकी वॉचेस क्या टाइम शो कर रही होगी. सो आई विल जस्ट गिव यू अ हिंट हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ पजल. And the remaining part of the puzzle, whatever I told you, after that you can solve it by yourself. Okay, so I'll just start. तो 8 AM पर वो लोग जाते हैं, right? So after 1 hour means 9 AM. सोनम की वॉच टाइम शो करेगी 9:05 AM, right? Then similarly at 10 AM it shows the time 10:10 AM. Then similarly 11 AM पर टाइम शो करेगी 11:15 AM, right? And on the other hand कपिल की जो वॉच है वो 10 मिनट स्लोअर हो जाती है, right? So जब 8 AM के बाद 9 AM होंगे तो जो कपिल की वॉच है वो टाइम शो करेगी 8:50 AM, राइट. देन जब वो 10 AM हो रहे होंगे तो उसकी वॉच शो करेगी 9:40 AM. देन सिमिलरली अगर 11 AM होंगे तो उसकी वॉच शो करेगी टाइम 10:30 AM. ओके, सिमिलरली यू कैन टेक इट अप टू 3 PM एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. दोनों की वॉचेस क्या क्या टाइम शो करेगी. ओके. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.